So in this problem, we're first given this definition of a perfect number. And actually, the definition is really not relevant in this problem. They tell us the perfect number is such that where the sum of all the positive factors of that number, including 1 and n, is equal to 2n. And the question then goes on to asking what is the sum of the reciprocals of all the positive factors of this perfect number 28. So you have to list all the factors of 28, so 1 and 28, 2 and 14, then it's 4 and 7, and that's it. It's going to flip to 7 and 4. So these are the 6 factors, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28, and they're asking for the reciprocal, the sum of the reciprocal of these numbers. So this is what we're looking to add. So here, I'm just going to make 28 as the common denominator. And so this has become 28 plus 14 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So actually, now that I look back at the definition, it is actually helpful because at first I thought it doesn't really matter. But if you were to add these, make the common denominators, you'll notice that this numerator is precisely the sum of all factors. That's the numerator. And the denominator is the number itself. So we were given this definition that is twice the number. So that we know is 2 times 28 without actually having to compute this. But since the numbers are small, you could add them because you'd see that's 21, 25, 27, 28. So that's 56. And that indeed is 2 times 28. So we know that this is 2. So why did they give us the definition going back to if this was a large number? They could do that. In that case, what you'll find that this sum would be 2n over n, meaning it would be always 2. So what they're asking for, in this case, the number is small enough that you could kind of ignore the definition of the perfect number and then compute it out. But if this was a larger number, larger perfect number, I don't know what it could be, maybe 3, 4, 2, 6 is, I'm not sure. But if it was something like that, clearly you don't want to be listing all the factors. You would have to kind of use the given definition of the perfect number for that particular example. So that's, I think, what they're trying to do with this problem. But in this particular case, you could just list them all out and follow the steps. So the answer is 2, which is choice C.